Well, today is going to be a little different. I'm showing the before photo, or image, I guess you could say, of this new planer head that's going to go into my Delta DC 380 planer. Obviously, it's one of the Shellix heads, and it's out of the box, but still in the crating. And bring you over here now. I'll show you where it's going to end up. There's the planer. Your DC 380 Delta 3 horsepower 15-inch thickness planer, which I've been using for quite a while now. And it has 3 solid carbide knives on it, and that's going to be changed out to go to the Shellix head. Now, over here, you'll see I have a sound meter. And I've been taking sound readings of this under various conditions. Up to now, I'm going to run a board through it, a board of rough sawn oak. And what I've done previously is turned on the dust collector, which is over there in the corner, and then turned on the planer and took various readings, and now I want to take a peak reading of this thing planing the oak. Then when I change out the head, I'll repeat that and be able to tell about the difference between the sound pressure levels. And also, since I'll be running the oak through with the new head too, we'll be able to review the difference in the final surface. So let me set you up on the tripod and go get my protective gear, and we'll run this board through. Dust collector. So then, if you enjoyed that, which most people wouldn't, as it turns out, we had a peak reading of about 110 dB. And yes, that is a calibrated sound pressure level meter, so I believe it. And given that and the other measurements I've taken, I'll be showing how I go about swapping out the heads, and then we'll get to experience the difference. Thanks for watching. Well, now I have to do helical cutter head in, and I'm going to take a cut on the oak plank in the same manner as I did with the standard head, and we'll tell the difference. Just for a reference, the previous cutter head put out about 110 dB under the same conditions. This one puts out 90 dB, so it's considerably quieter, though still of course a noisy machine. And You can tell that the motor is working less, probably because it's not 3 individual hammer hits of those dies, but 75 cuts from the individual teeth. So there's a difference on putting a helical cutter head in your 15-inch planer, and I hope that you enjoyed the difference. Goodbye.